Well, hi folks, this is Darren and Tricia with My RV Works. We sure have been having a lot of fun with our YouTube channel. Now, one of the questions we get asked a lot is how folks can start their own mobile RV service business like what we have here. So Tricia and I put our heads together and came up with a solution for you. If you've ever had a desire to be a mobile RV service technician or you want to start your own business doing mobile RV service, you need to check this out.
Yeah, if you were with us last year, you know that we released the How to Start a Mobile RV Repair Business series over on Patreon. We did 46 episodes in all, and we got good feedback on that, and so we've taken that content and developed it into 6 courses. So our first course, General Business Principles and Setup, is now available for purchase.
All right, so what all do you get with this course that we're talking about? The general business principles, what all is included in that?
Yeah, so let me take you to the course page and we can break down the course. So what you see here is our General Business Principles and Business Setup course. This is specifically tailored to the mobile RV repair business entrepreneur. There are 7 video lessons, 2 hours of on-demand video, course assignments, and a final quiz. You have 2 months to complete it from the time you purchase the course, and when you're finished, you'll get a certificate of completion, which you may be able to use for continuing education credits in some programs. So in this course, you'll learn how to identify your target market, what business structure works best for a mobile RV repair business, how to get the proper insurance package, how to budget for startup costs, and what it takes to be a good business owner. We pay particular attention to beginning with the end in mind and walk students through writing a business plan. So this course will help students lay a good foundation and get started on their mobile RV repair business.
So that sounds super exciting, and I know that we put a lot into that. So how can folks access all of this content that we've created for them?
Yeah, so we'll put a link up here, and we'll also put a link down below in the description box, and you can just click on that link. It'll take you to the course page. You can check it out. All the information is on there, and then to buy, you just click that buy button. It's just $95. You get 2 months access to complete the course, and you'll be on your way to starting your mobile RV repair business.
So once they're done with that first module, they'll be ready for the next module. I think I heard you say we had 6 modules that we made, so this is the first module. And so how then will they know when the next module is coming out?
We'll be releasing a new course every 2 months, so get this one completed and then come back to see what's new.
I love it. I'm excited. I know we've put a lot into it, and I can't wait for you guys to get started on your mobile RV service dreams.
Absolutely. We'll see you there.
All right, bye.
Bye.